Hello, in this video we'll be helping you to decide if the JR Tokyo-wide pass is the right rail pass for your trip to Japan. What is the JR Tokyo-wide pass? The JR Tokyo-wide pass is a rail pass exclusively available to non-Japanese passport holders, offering unlimited travel on JR trains, including Shinkansen and limited express trains, and select non-JR trains within the Kanto region surrounding Tokyo for 3 consecutive days. How much does it cost? The JR Tokyo-wide pass costs 15,000 yen for adults and 7,500 yen for children aged 6 to 11. Where can the pass be used? The pass allows unlimited use of local, rapid, express, limited express and Shinkansen trains operated by JR East within the Kanto region, as well as portions of Nagano, Niigata, Yamanashi and Shizuoka prefectures. A number of non-JR lines can also be used, which includes the Fuji-Q Railway to the Fuji 5 Lakes, the Izu-Q Railway on the Izu Peninsula, direct JR Tobu Limited Express trains between Shinjuku, Nikko and Kinagawa, the Tobu Railway between Nikko and Kinagawa Onsen, the Joshin Railway to the Tomioka Silk Mill in Gunma Prefecture, the Tokyo Monorail to Haneda Airport, the Saitama New Shuttle between Omiya and the Railway Museum, and the Rinkai Line in central Tokyo. Important information. The pass is not valid on the Tokaido Shinkansen, not operated by JR East. A supplement fee is required for the Hayabusa and Komachi trains on the Tohoku Shinkansen, and when utilising the observation car on the Fuji-Q Railway limited express trains. Free seat reservations are available. The pass is valid for 3 consecutive calendar days, midnight to midnight. You can select the start date when purchasing. Only non-Japanese passport holders, including foreign residents of Japan, can use the JR Tokyo-wide pass. Children under 6 years old who do not require seat reservations do not need a pass. A separate fee is applicable if you wish to use the Green Car or Grand Class. During ski season, pass holders can enjoy discounted lift tickets, ski rentals, and onsen admission at the Gala Yuzawa Resort. Where to buy the pass? The JR Tokyo-wide pass is sold at select major stations in the Tokyo area, including Narita Airport, Haneda Airport, Tokyo Station, Shinagawa Station, Shinjuku Station, Shibuya Station, Yokohama Station and Mito Station. It can also be purchased on the JR East official website or through various online and offline travel agents, but the actual pass must be picked up at a station in Japan before use. How to reserve seats. Free seat reservations can be made at seat reservation ticket machines and JR ticket offices. Online seat reservations are also available on the JR East train reservation website. However, physical seat reservation tickets must be collected at a designated ticket machine or office before use. How to use the pass. Insert only your rail pass into the automatic ticket gate. Make sure to pick up your rail pass after passing through the gate. The rail pass cannot be reissued even if it is lost or stolen. Is the pass good value? The JR Tokyo-wide pass can offer excellent value, particularly for travellers planning multiple side trips from Tokyo to popular destinations such as Nikko, the Fuji 5 Lakes, the Izu Peninsula, Karuizawa, or the onsen towns of Gunma Prefecture. Possible uses. Here are some of the round trips that you could take with the JR Tokyo-wide pass, including the respective price so that you can work out whether getting the pass would be worthwhile for your trip. To Nikko, 3,000 yen via the Tobu Railway, 10,500 yen via Shinkansen. To the Fuji 5 Lakes, 7,500 yen via limited express train. To Shimoda, 12,000 yen via limited express train. To Kusatsu Onsen, 12,000 yen via limited express train. To Karuizawa, 11,500 yen via Shinkansen. The best way to get value from this pass is to visit at least 2 of the locations listed via Shinkansen or Limited Express train, as these are the highest cost journeys. You would likely then only need to use the pass for journeys on local trains to cover the cost of the pass and effectively travel for free for your remaining journeys.